Hi everyone, in today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Before beginning, I would like to say something about WhatsApp. WhatsApp is a free chat application which is known as the most popular communication app worldwide. Every messages and calls are end-to-end encrypted by default. All you need is a phone number and your device that you're working with and you will be good to go. Simply open up your App Store or your Play Store if you are doing this on your mobile phone. WhatsApp application is a free application for iPhones, Android smartphones, Macs and Windows PCs. It'll allow you to send messages, pictures, voice recordings, videos and even to make voice and video calls over the internet for free. To download the application, first open up your App Store or your Play Store and in the search box type in WhatsApp and perform your search. Once you find the application, tap on the download button to start downloading the application for your mobile device. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the open button to open the app and approve all of the requested permissions. Firstly, tap on agree and continue in order to agree to the privacy policy and terms of service of WhatsApp. On the next page where it says enter your phone number, go ahead and fill in your phone number after selecting your country from the drop down. And once you type in the phone number that you have an access to, tap on done at the top right. You'll need to confirm your mobile number. Go ahead and confirm if the provided mobile number is correct or not. If it is not correct, tap on edit and correct your phone number. If it is correct, tap on yes. Now, you'll need to enter the verification code received via SMS on your mobile number. Paste in the code that you received on this page. Once the mobile number has been verified, you'll be taken to this page. Go ahead and add a picture for yourself by tapping on add photo. Select the picture by tapping on choose photo or simply take a picture by tapping on take photo. Here I'm going to select my pre-existing photos from my camera library. Simply go ahead and select the photo you'd like to add and tap on choose at the bottom right. Once you upload a photo for yourself, type in your name in the next field and tap done at the top right. Upload your contacts to WhatsApp server by tapping on OK, and you can now start your first chat by tapping on the pencil and paper icon at the top right from the main homepage. In the new chat tab, you'll be able to see all of the contacts that are available on your contact list, and if some of the contacts are already on WhatsApp, you'll be able to see the available label right under the contact's name. You can also start off by tapping on new contacts at the top and enter a mobile number, their first name and their last name, and tap on the save button at the top right. Now you're ready to start chatting with any of your contacts that have WhatsApp installed on their mobile devices. That was how you can easily use WhatsApp on your mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.